Hello?
Hello, is this Andrew?
No, it's you got the wrong number.
Oh, I'm sorry about that. I'm gonna get going. Bye.
Bye. Hello?
Do I have the right number, Billy?
It's true. I'm gonna hang up on you.
Hang up on this phone, I'll cut you and slice you and leave you in a storm freeze.
Hello?
I'm not kidding, Billy. I just want to play a game. Do you want to play a game,
Sure.
Billy? Tab trivia. You get it wrong, or you get it right, and you might have a chance to live. Who is the original killer? In Woodsboro, how many were there?
I don't know. 4, 1. I'm gonna go 1.
I'm sorry, but that's not the correct answer, Billy. It looks like this is the last time we're gonna talk on the phone together, isn't it? Now you're gonna pay for it, Billy.